what's up guys? It's Matt. I've never called myself Matt. Hey, what's up guys? It's Matthew. Welcome back to another car antics video. I'm currently driving because I got my wheels, my brand new wheels in the back. I don't think we announced this before. Well, actually, I know we haven't announced it before, but we've teased it in the past in some of the videos. I got some TE37 silver Saga SL, I think is what it's called. And we're gonna be installing them on the car today. So we're just driving to America's Tires right now. I'm in my mom's Bronco, and basically we're gonna put them on. So it's gonna be kind of crazy, dude. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these wheels to get here for like, this would be the 6th month. I ordered it in June. I'm really excited, and I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. All right guys, I just dropped off the wheels. They are not in the back anymore. I think they're gonna start fairly soon. The guy was really cool at the America Tires on South Street. It's that one right there. If my camera focus, I'm pretty sure that's mine. Well, actually, I'm like 100% sure that's my wheel. So I'm just waiting for them to put the tire on, but I'll let you guys know. I'll probably get some more footage of the tire being put on if it's right in front of me. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Yo, they're literally putting it on right now. Holy. This guy's smiling like, what you smiling at, boy? Holy shit, bruh. All right, we just got the tires in the car. Eduardo at America's Tires on South Street, 11524. He's goated. He gave me bags for the Bronco. He's actually so sick. So huge shout out to him. We're gonna close this up and then put him on the car.
All right, y'all, we made it back to Matt's house. Got the TEs in the bag. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, I'm scared. About to install them onto the car. Sorry if the footage is ass. It's really dark outside already. We're trying to get as much light as possible. If it's grainy or like not smooth, sorry about that. We're trying our best here. Matt's currently looking for his locking key nut. What is that called?
Locking nut. I don't know. Key thing, yeah, one of those. We'll get back to you once we figure that out, once Matt finds it. He's literally tearing apart his whole car right now. But yeah, he got T's, I'm jealous. I don't even have a car. Depending on when you see this video, I don't have a car right now. We have realized that Matt left that lug nut key at my house. We are 30 minutes away from putting the wheels on. All right, catch you back when we're back at my house to actually finally install it. Yeah. All right, we teleported back to Matt's house. Matt found it in his trunk. So now we can finally get into the wheel install for y'all. First TE37s on the channel. Let's go.
Low-key gonna rub.
If you roll it, it'll literally be perfect. Your fenders are freaking massive.
When I move, I'm not gonna be able to clear the speed bumps.
Well, technically you're a little higher because your wheel's a little bigger, no?
That's what I was thinking, but I don't know.
Yeah, because I had more clearance in the back. This is gonna rub right here, though. You can't do anything about this. This is like your car.
Oh yeah, it's gonna rub for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, here's the fitment check on the front. Thing looks crazy though.
And,
Look at that.
maybe I can actually see the car.
Sheesh. Bro has fucking T's. I'm so jealous. The fuck? Why the fuck did Derek and I get fake TEs, bro? Oh my god, look at them. Oh my god. The silver goes crazy with the freaking blue. They freaking pop. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you could definitely look at that sparkle. No, okay. Oh my lord. It looks so freaking good.
I forgot to check the. What was it?
Oh, the equalizer.
Yeah, you forgot to check the equalizer.
Did you do it on this wheel too?
Right.
That's good.
Okay. And
I just hope.
You say so. I trust them.
So he didn't check the equalizer on these sides.
Do they have to be the same in the like?
All of them have to be
Equalized.
Yeah. Oh, like where it is on the
Yeah.
actual thing.
On the wheel.
Let me take them off again.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Jack
can
it
I
back
just
up.
look right here?
No, it's like
Oh,
it's on the
other
inside.
side.
Yeah, you can't see it from here.
Nah.
I could see it from here.
No, bro, it's on the inside. I'm telling you right now.
I didn't even know what you were talking about, to be honest, when you showed me.
It's like on the back side. You know where those holes are on the inside?
No. I mean, they're all up. Okay, that's fine. I'll take them off.
There is no equal.
I don't know what you're
It's
talking
not a
about.
real thing.
Because every time we put your wheels on, you never said anything about that. So I'm so confused, bro.
Just remember, guys, don't forget to check your equalizers on your wheels before you install them.
It's not going in the video.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's fucking editing the video. God damn it.
Bruh.
Bro's got 2 shoes on his car.
If
Turbo.
you guys have seen Cars, comment down below. But does it not just like remind you of Finn McMissile? Like for some reason, just the silver wheels on his car remind me of Finn McMissile.
I don't know. For some reason, these wheels make it look like a Z4. For some reason, it looks like a Z4. I don't know if that's what the Z4 stock wheels look like, but it looks more like a Z4 now.
Oh my god. Shit is so loud. More, a little more. Okay.
All right, now what happened?
So I needed to raise it a little bit, but the thing to raise my coils, like to adjust it, I left it at Andrews one time, so we had to go drive all the way to Andrews to pick that up, and now we're back. I parked in the garage, so now we're gonna raise it a little bit.
We also have better lighting for y'all, so
Yeah.
that's a plus. He was also talking about spanner wrenches. That's what we needed to get.
Wait.
Alright, what's up guys? I just realized while I'm editing the video that we didn't film an outro. So basically, that's the whole video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you are excited to see like what we do with Andrew's car in the future, be sure to subscribe and keep up with that. We didn't really have that many clips of the car like in the daytime, so I just put some short clips. I'm sure we'll get some rollers at another date. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Zoomed in as fuck.
That was it.